makers, it's Charlotte with the Wooden Wood Co. And today I'm talking about how to set up your business. You may have gone down the path of looking into how to set up your business. In other words, should you set up a sole proprietorship, general partnership, an LLC, or a C Corp or S Corp? Lots of questions and lots of research to be done as you go down this topic. However, today I'm just going to hit the highlights and give you guys a few bullet points for each and why you might want to select one type of business entity over another for your business. So the first I'll start with is a sole proprietorship. This is the most common for small business owners. It is the most common for a few reasons. It requires the least amount of taxes compared to LLCs or corporations such as C Corp or S Corp. It's also the easiest to set up. So sole proprietorships are great if you are the only owner in a business, you don't have other shareholders or members of the business that are going to be a part of your overall ownership. Sole proprietorship is a very common type of business among our community of makers and crafters. Next, an LLC. An LLC, or a limited liability corporation, is a type of business entity that has become much more popular in recent years, and it really is designed for small businesses. So the biggest difference and benefit of an LLC is that you are only taxed on the profits as they're passed through to you. So basically what that means is your profits of the business are passed through to you as an owner and you're taxed on them as personal income. So this helps to avoid double taxation that basically happens in some corporations like C Corps, wherein you are taxed on your corporate profits as well. After they're distributed to the shareholders, you can be taxed on them at a personal income level as well. That being said, that's a great reason why LLCs are a suitable option for small business owners. However, one difference is that you can't write off expenses in the same way that you can with a C Corp. So if you plan to have a lot of business expenses, then you may want to consider a C Corp for your business entity. Last but certainly not least, one of the most common types of business entities is a C Corp. A C Corp might be the first thing that comes to mind when you think about setting up your business and how to do so. Most businesses and products that we consume today are made through corporations such as C Corps. So I already explained the difference in taxation between an LLC and a C Corp. There are a few other key differences for a C Corp as well. If you plan to set up your business as a C Corp, there's a few funny little nuances that you should be aware of, such as requirements on annual meetings and reporting information for shareholders. C Corps are a great way to set up your business because they're very scalable for growth, and if you decide ever to bring on private equity or venture capitalists into your business, a C Corporation is a great entity in which to do that. I hope this video helped you guys decide which type of business entity you need to use for your business. If you have any specific questions, you want more information on how to set up your business, drop us a comment below. We would love to help you. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel to stay in the know on all the latest makers tips and tricks. Happy making!